tagi na non da songo na take nei dai na dona lotu na dani kalona temana lu bana ke na lotambu
ni tanlo talaga ni itu ora rasi munu sangke matai talaga minsta de main karabi no men orgo era la may oribuli cuma may dae era layan munu sangke ini siu ini yang lebih karabi munu no men orgo
Such wali silesi bol ni sana dan bitambana ni matento itu lucu amarama turanga lalai dan singa tali ya singa di o untuk mesata babe ali me ba idori ina dala bimbi ni mano enan dala ambani o ibu sisiwa sambil langani to sana mi bosa no bia bidangangu malani bosa ba palani membali certo jangan tu ulangi na singa di o. I'd like to acknowledge the representatives of the coastal community project of the American government's aid program. I'd like to acknowledge particularly the invaluable work you've done for Rusasibo village, the Vanua of Sobotumbo, and of course the Teon Peninsula. Thank you for empowering our community in building a resilience to climate change, something that is near impossible to stop at this point in time. We're particularly encouraged also by the commitment of President Barack Obama and President Xi Jinping last week to ratify the Paris Agreement, which I'm sure will go a long way in furthering the good work that you are doing in our communities here in Fiji and also in the Pacific. The Fijian government stands in partnership with you and in encouraging you in your work around the communities in Fiji. We understand this is your 10th project in our country, and we thank you for that. We hope that this seawall will not end the partnership with our villages along this beautiful Natewan Peninsula. What you're looking at here is the biggest bay here in Fiji, and arguably the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere. We also understand this climate change resilience is a ridge-to-reef approach that we take. Our activity up in our hills will affect what happens down in our coastline. And looking up at our hills, that's also home to some unique species in Fiji. Particularly one that is known is the silktail, a bird that lives in our hills. We hope that your partnerships, like I said, will not end with the building of this seawall, and that you will look at other opportunities, maybe not only in Vusasivo, other villages around the Natewan Peninsula, to make us, as Natewans, more strong, more resilient in our fight against climate change. We thank you again and acknowledge the great work you've done here. Vinaka.
Actually, you caused more damage for some of the areas than it was. For instance, with
The Masi.
no, we didn't cut it. It's too beautiful to cut.
Ochi?
We cut it.
Yeah, cut it, Nick. Trust you with this. If you build
Here,
a
you
seawall, you
help
can
me.
cut
Try and help me.
that.
Show you like.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Ooh, it's thick.
It is.
I don't know. Seawall's maybe easier.
Yeah. There you go.
Yay! Level rise could affect the community with storm surge reaching the red area, so the village and yes, so there were workshops on both of these, including risk mapping and So recently too, we did knowledge sharing workshops where we brought all of the information that was worked on between the communities and the provincial authorities up to the national level. And we invited the climate change division director and his staff came, and they all shared the knowledge that was gained through this community-based approach. And so now we're happy that we were able to do that, and that's Kiribati and Tuvalu, that when they get a drought, they have no groundwater.
Mai na balabuni ngau na nunggu suhu tu kini ke saya bagi 5,5 katulu na bagi nunggu awa susungi ngana koro busasibu ndau kaba kaloloma ena ngau na nindraki bisau na ndau yado na ndraki bisau ndau gambe mena ua ndau kaba kaloloma ndau yado bikima mina nima mindau ngole esona bonua melagi kima min rota kimbula kini yado mai na vida batana tangi lamba endau bakalolo mo na bunyi ngone batkira na turang non rando ngara tigo na non rambula ena sona buno mera lagi bakarurukin mai na rulu ndolu trikatul mani bakando ni kini tu koro ena lo mani lima na tikina di lima na koro ena tike sana viti se bono lebo bawili taltunga kini tuko kito baka binabinaka kito marutaka nona rongo da tuan itu masumaklo en nona kawita kabuli na mainandona ngauna ni mami dau kaba kalolo mena ngauna ni raki bisa na sigoni kuwa dona kana lewu ni no maro na kena samai bagaduri na songo na kena samai dolabina ni tu bakila na katudo ka dalam menito ko na kau manu na kena kaum bula rati era waga din takan la lebu ni non maruta na bi baga tore daga tigili mai basi ko tunan no menito ko na ngauna do ya do mekina nan raki bisau en do rani rauta me tako sanawa sibita e vida batana bali rauta ni 5 sabu lemita me athare ni lomni ko na kena do ya do ani kina na wuli sena waitu ya mai biu nambani wongo ito baka bina kataka nan raki bisau sama ibang landa kung go Winston ito rida kina na kena binak kena senga ni apa wala kali itu barag itu rida na kena malumu na wa era tiko senga ni rida na lulipo era rida na visulim sama basika ena kena sama dabo na sior na loma maten mitu ko na balabu ni bali wongo rauta tiko ni runan rau tolu sanga bulu kabitu na kena balabu balabu di bali runan rau tolu sanga bulu kabitu